You guessed right. It's Fast Friday session. So this gonna be really amazing because it's time to learn some color grade. I'm going to select some simple pictures and convert it into the super cool with the gradient map adjustment layer. Amazing crispy famous teal and orange look with the gradient map adjustment layer using the code of color. I mean the hex code. It's not gonna be the software class. So without wasting any further delay, let's jump into the magical world of the Photoshop. First of all, change the foreground and the background color. For the foreground color, I'm going to make the teal color using the hex code of 008080 and in the color picker. And for the background color, choose orange color. The official hex code of the pure orange is FFA500. Now select the gradient map and that's it. Now change the blend mode from normal to overlay. Now before we go into another example, we have to understand how gradient map works. So the gradient map just does the darkest area of your gradient replace with the shadow, the middle replace with your general exposure, and end replace your highlights. So you can choose whatever color you want in the highlight, shadow and mid-tone manually with the just help of the gradient map. I have some special gradient pack for you guys that looks super dramatic on every image or portraits. I have already created the gradient map preset that you can download, link in the description down below. So you understand it well, the magic of the gradient map, and you can experiment with it. For me, the best teacher is trial and error. You can make a mistake and learn from them. Or sometimes you do something accidentally and results are much better than you expected. I hope this explanation helps you a lot. Do me a favor, make sure you like this video. Comment below if you have any question in your mind. And also suggest me which tutorial I should cover in my next video. So until then, think great.